Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Miracle is updated and licensed. This avoids unexpected validation errors. Next, prepare your data files, CSV or JSON, and align headers to Miracle's import schema so field mapping is predictable. Once done, back up the live database and create a sandbox copy to test the import. This protects production. Then open Miracle's import module, select the sandbox environment, and choose your file. This starts the import workflow immediately, so stay ready to map fields. You now map fields in Miracle. Use the field mapping tool to connect each source column to the target field and apply transformation rules where needed. For example, convert dates to ISO, parse decimals with period separators, and trim whitespace to prevent duplicates. Once mappings are set, run a small validation batch of 50 to 200 rows to detect type mismatches and key conflicts. This gives quick feedback. If errors appear, adjust mappings and transformations, then repeat until the sample validates cleanly. You should execute the full import during a low-usage window and watch Miracle's progress indicator and logs for warnings. Once complete, verify total record counts versus expected, spot check several key records, and run integrity or foreign key checks to confirm relationships. If you encounter blocking errors, stop immediately, revert to your backup, correct the source file or mapping, and perform an incremental re-import of only failed records. A key tip: check log error codes first. Most indicate exactly which row and field failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.